Right, so guys, sheet number 9, geological geometry. Okay. So again, very similar to the last one. The accompanying drawing shows the ground contours at 10-meter intervals on a map. A, B, and C are outcrop points at the head wall of the stratum of ore, and D is the outcrop on the footwall. Okay, so now we're given a stratum, we're given that thick bit of ore in the middle there. Okay, so we're given the top of it, we're given 3 points for the top of it, we're also given a point for the bottom of it, okay? And we're saying it's uniform thickness, okay? So, in the space provided, draw a vertical section profile on the line EF, okay, grand. Determine the dip, strike, and thickness of the stratum, okay, so we do the same there, and determine and outline the outcrop for the head wall and foot wall. So it's the exact same as last question, only this time we are going through determining the dip and the strike as well, okay. So we're going to start by bringing up all our points. Okay. Right, we're stepping up our measurements. I'm bringing them across. Okay, our lowest measurement here is 20, so I'm going to keep the bottom here as 20. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. And we're just literally going to bring up all our points there. So we're going to cross them off there. So that's, this guy's at 40 here. 40, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and we can draw that curve there. Okay. Now, we have A, B, and C then. So A, B, and C is our stratum of ore. Okay, so we have that. Okay, and B back up then is, B is on 40. So we'll just bring up B, point B there. C is on 60. And A is on 80. And we'll just bring up D there as well, and D is on 70. That's D there, not to mark too much a minute. So we join A, B, C together. Okay, so we got our horizontal line, okay, which is from C across, where it intersects AB, we bring it down, cuts AB, joins back to C, and that's our strike line there. Okay, and that's our true length, our strike and our true length. Okay. Then what we do is we look along our true length line. And I'm going to bring it up here. Look along it there. Set up 90 degrees. Bring up A, B, C, and D. Okay, and I'm going to step up then my heights there again. 20, sorry, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And I'm going to go parallel length to my XY line. This is probably getting hard to see now, but it's very important to have it labelled well. A lot of drawn on top of each other. So I keep the ground as 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, A is at 80. That's point A. B is at 40. There's point B. And C is at 60. So they should join up there and form a straight enough line. Okay, and then D then is at 70. Okay, so we're then going to go parallel then to our top stratum of ore. And we're going to join from D because we know D is on the footwall. Okay, so we know D is on the footwall, so if we go parallel from our head wall to our footwall, we get the thickness of our stratum. Okay, and we need to highlight that in there then, so we just put it in there, dimension line, and go thickness. Okay, and we also then will go parallel to the ground line, anywhere at all on this line, and we're right in our dip. Okay, now here's the tricky part. Okay, part C then is determine the outline of the crop for the head wall and the footwall of the stratum. Okay, so that means is anywhere we have the head wall crossing a line here, and anywhere we have a footwall crossing an altitude line, we need to bring them down. Okay, so I'm going to work with the head wall first. Okay, so 50 crosses my head wall here. 50 crosses my head wall here. So I'm going to drag 50 down on here, and it hits it there, and it hits it there. There's 2 points there on my head wall, and I'm going to colour them in green, or no, I'm going to pick red here, some different colour just to make them stand out a bit. There's a point in red, there's a point in red. Okay, that's 50 line where the head wall cuts 60 there. There's a point there. There's a point there. Okay, where it cuts, head wall cuts 70 is there. There it is. And there it is. Where the head wall cuts 80 is there and there. Okay. We're going to continue that head wall the whole way down along to the bottom. Okay, where the head wall hits 40, where the head wall hits 30 is here. We'll come down and hit there, there. Sorry, we're done 40, no, 40 is here, where his 40 is here. There's a point there, there's a point there. And where the head wall hits 20, there's a point. It doesn't cross it. Okay? So what I can do then is I have all those red lines. I literally go back and join them up there. Okay. Okay, so that's the head wall. That's everywhere my head wall hit my measurements going across there. Now I'll try to highlight those measurements there with yellow. So right, there's my 20 line going across, my 30, my 40, my 50, my 60, my 70, and my 80. Okay, so that's my head wall outcrops there. That's where they hit the head wall. Okay, and you do the exact same then for the foot wall. Okay, and I'm going to do this with a blue pencil this time. Okay, so anywhere my foot wall hits my view, my blue pencil on top. Okay. Anywhere the foot wall hits one of my yellow lines, I bring it down. So that's where it hits 70 there. So we're down. There's where it crosses 70. That's where it crosses 70. Here's where it crosses 60. Here. Cuts 50 here. There's 50, there's 50. Cuts 40 here. There's 40. And 40 runs off the page down here somewhere. Cuts 30 then down here. Cuts 30 there. 30 off up there. I'll just extend it down. And it cuts 20 here. It doesn't actually cut 20. So 70, does it go up to 80? It does. I'm just extend it up to 80. Is that actually? Sorry. Okay, so right down here. There's 80, and there's 80. Okay, and you can go back and join them blue lines up. Okay, and those blue marks there, if I'll just try and heavy it in blue, that blue line then is the outcrop of the foot wall, and the red one is the outcrop of the head wall. So basically the top of it, the top of the stratum and the bottom of the stratum. Okay, so anywhere my thickness cuts my yellow line, okay, that's where I'm bringing a point down to get the outcrop down here. Same as the last question, just this time I have to do it twice. Okay, any questions, let me know.